Yeah, he started off quite nicely. The reason why he's not been preferred by the captain of Sri Lanka, some bowler needs to give control to the captain. Square leg. That might be because the odd short ball gets delivered to Abdullah. Oh, that's good. And it's been aforementioned, he'll be hit for a few boundaries, but this is an attacking line. Locked it in there, just and around off stump, just outside. And again, he's bowling it a bit slower. This match. He was darting the ball in, he was bowling wicket to wicket. He made it easier for the bat. Again, tossed up outside off stump, asking Babar Azam to drive. Spin on day 2. Found the gap and found the first boundary of the morning. Answer to set batsman. Easy pace, good pounds, easy pickings. Better. 182 for 2. There's definitely plenty of variation in pace from up the fan. This is a different pitch. This is offering a lot to the spinners already. Oh, we talk about really someone like Hassan Ali. It's far too tempting. Sure, the match officials thought, oh no, please, give up with life. It's a single from the over, 184 for 2. When the ball is turning mile and keeping low. Beautiful. Beautiful. Elegant and sublime timing. Yes, he was circumspect at the start of the innings. He wasn't a half volley. Hit the ball on the up, presenting full face of the bat, and was. That'll be 4 as well, you would think, and will take him to 99. Oh, it's so well said. That'll be it. 100 for Abdullah Shafiq. He'd name a stroke, he has played that one. It's a very, very good batting average as well for an opening batsman in Test match cricket. As opposed to Abdullah Shafiq, who has been executing every stroke perfectly. Easy on the up. Really need to start again. Because the doubt's created. But you bowl this length, there's no doubt. This is easy. And whatever pressure is being built from the Dilshan Madhushankar, good work in the deep. We haven't seen him with the ball yet, Dilshan Madhushankar. Off attack. That's a half tracker. And that's put away by Babar. That's such a good shot under pressure because he's been struggling to size him up. 200 come. So he's covering the set of stumps so that he knows how much the ball is going to spin from that off stump line. There you go. Good early call. Stump. Usually that cluster is... that is cool. That is beauty. Easily done by Abdullah Shafiq.